Please read for me, guys. Today, we connected 3 computers. Artie, you too, okay? We installed Minecraft on Artie's computer. Bing Bing hosted the game. The world is called Fresh Giant. The world is called Fresh Giant. Good. We connected Paul's computer to Artie's TV with the HDMI cable. Bing Bing made a very cool mine. Paul made a great staircase. It's okay. Staircase and mine. Artie made a great house and pig farm. Paul tried to make a chicken farm with a hopper and chest. But we accidentally let the chicken out. Oh no! What a great class and day. I think I used about 3,000 words.